everybody, Catherine Newman here, real estate agent with Allison James, and today we are at Artisan Lakes at the Eaves Bend family section, which is just drop dead gorgeous. And if you're looking for a place on the Gulf Coast of Florida, you really ought to check out Palmetto. Palmetto, Florida is a sister community of Parrish, Florida, which is where I live. So I really think you ought to check this out. Or not, it is an 80-degree day, and we're going to check out Taylor Morrison's Antigua, which I think is my favorite because it's a one level. So if you're looking for a one level ranch home with about 2,400 square feet, you can see here, $23.99. This is it, and it's gorgeous. We're going to go in and take a look, but make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can keep giving you all the good stuff on this YouTube channel that shows you all of the great areas here in Manatee and Sarasota counties. Let's go check out Taylor Morrison's Antigua.
Little surprises around every corner, but nothing dangerous.
Eaves Bend at Artisan Lakes here in Palmetto, Florida offers something for single people, for families that are growing, for families that maybe are empty nesters. It just offers something for everyone at every price point, and this is certainly a place you want to check out. If you think you might be interested in this, or maybe you know somebody that will be interested in this area here in Palmetto, Florida, make sure to give me a call. I'd love to chat with you personally, and we can find something that fits your budget and fits your needs, and we're gonna have fun doing it because I'm a fun gal. And I also want to tell you to make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can keep you updated on everything going on in the real estate markets here in Sarasota and Manatee counties, and also give you the great floor plans and the model tours that you know you love. I'm Catherine Newman. I look forward to seeing you next week when a new video is available.